I'm Tara Lee. I'm an associate here at Ignite in the commercial sector. Toka Puia is the newest hub in the heart of Takapuna. It offers vehicle and bike parking, EV charging, and we incorporated an end-of-trip facilities as an additional brief offering to the client, which allows commuters to store, charge, or repair their bike. So the architectural expression you see bookending the building is reminiscent of both the Māori and Pākehā occupation of Takapuna. The gold Tukutuku panels that undulate across the facade are firmly encased by the white diagrid, which represents the old gasometer that stood on the site to the mid-90s. The gasometer works was basically a white scaffolding circular structure that encased a drum that pumped up and down and pushed gas around Takapuna to the occupants. I think what was truly novel about this project was the seamless integration of the engineering and the architectural aspiration. It meant that we could have a single skin facade, which took away the need for an additional barrier behind, which you typically see in other car parking buildings, and allowed for us in a single skin mesh open airy design to achieve human impact and safety from falling loads, which Insole brought to the table to meet what we had put forward as quite an ambitious brief. So bringing Insole on early in the development of the feature facades proved really successful. We were able to bring them on as a design build partner, and they brought a level of constructability to the table, from developing the design through to the consent and construction drawings, shop drawings, and then on site was smooth with Insole. There was constant kind of back and forth collaboration. They were very happy to work on tweaking the design towards the aspiration that we had as architects, and were able to refine the design aspiration quickly and effectively through a series of 3D modelling processes. The architectural expression you see on the streetscape is one of a gleaming gold veiled Tukutuku panel during the daytime, reflecting the sunlight, and then after hours the external lighting takes over and shoots down the white diagrids, which speaks to the gasometer narrative. Current use for Toka Puia is to enable the heart of Takapuna to be developed, so that the development over the next 15 years has been unlocked basically by removing all the car parking and bike parking from the central hub down the road to the facility, and then in future we've allowed for future-proofing to add additional parking decks on top, and then the floor-to-floor stories allow for a refit into whatever the next use is required. Go ahead and use Insole. The collaboration with them was really enjoyable, and I think they bring a level of kind of clarity to the design that as architects we need.